Good morning guys, welcome to videos of tutorial. Thanks for watching our videos online. Please have to subscribe, please press the subscribe button and notification bell. That's our update on this YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you. Today we are going to continue the continuation of preparation towards what? Furthermaths exam in Waec 2023. Now the question before says that using the substitution u equal to x minus 2, write x cubed plus 5 all over open bracket x minus 2 raised to the power 4. We have to express this term in term of u equal to x minus 2. So, and then using the answer in 3a to express x cubed plus 5 all over x minus 2 raised to the power 4. Now let's go into the solution. Solution for the question says that we should use the substitution method of u equal to x minus 2 to write this. Now we are given what? X minus x, we are given u equal to x minus 2. Now the first thing is to what? Is to make x inside the formula here by rearranging. So I will what? I will bring x to the other side. Then okay, I will bring 2 to the other side to make x stand on its own. I will bring 2 to the other side. So we have u plus what? U plus 2. U plus 2 equal to x. Meaning that what? Whenever I see x, I can what? Whenever I see x, I can have u plus what? 2. Therefore, whenever I see what? X, I can replace it with u plus what? 2. Now, coming to this one now, we now have, coming to this now, we now have what? We now have x cubed, from x cubed now, let me write it there, x cubed plus 5 all over x minus 2 in the bracket 4 raised to the power 4. Now we have x cubed plus 5 all over x minus 2 raised to the power 4. Now I will say our x is equal to u plus what? 2. So meaning that what? In this place now, we are going to be having what? Wherever we see x, we put u plus 2. We have what? We have u plus 2 raised to the power what? 3 plus 5 all over u. Hello. So here we are going to be having what? U plus what? Forget u, has to be u plus what? 2 raised to the power 4. So now what does that mean? What does that mean? We're going to be having what? Okay, don't forget that this is u plus 2, sorry. X plus 2 raised to the power 3 plus 5. Then we have what? U plus 2 for x. Then minus 2 raised to the power what? 4. I hope you are following. So now we can easily multiply this one. We can find what? The expansion of this. If you don't know it, before first do x, before first do u plus 2 all what? Square. Then u plus 2. U plus 2 all square. Then u plus what? 2. So plus 5 all over. Now this plus 2 cancel what? Minus 2. We are going to have what? U raised to the power what? 4. We are going to have u raised to the power 4. Now the next thing now is to expand this. Expand u squared plus 2. Now let me do it here. U plus 2. U plus 2, then another u plus 2. Don't forget, you expand this one first. Then after you expand this one, then you now bring it back. Let me quickly do that here. It means that so I'm going to have u times u. It will be u squared. Then plus what? U plus times u is u squared. U times 2 is what? 2u. 2 times u plus 2u. Then plus 2 times plus 2, yeah, plus what? 4. So everything here is going to be what? U squared plus 4u plus 4. Are you getting it? U square plus 4u plus 4. So now you now come back to this place and put your whole thing. Or you can write, put what? You can write this u plus first, then you put this one to represent this. So therefore we have what? Now we have u, I'm writing u plus 2 first, bracket u squared plus 4u plus what? 4, bracket what? Close, plus 5. Plus 5 all over, don't forget, everything is u squared. Now, equal to, so the next thing is to now what? Expand that now by saying, okay, by multiplying out, which is equal to u times u squared, we have u cubed, plus u times 4u, we have 4u squared, u times plus 4, you have plus 4u. Then you take this one as well to multiply out. I have to extend to this 2 times what? U squared plus 2u squared. 2 times u squared plus 2u squared. 2 times 4u plus 4. 2 times 4u plus 8u. 2 times 4u plus 8u and plus 2 times plus 4 is plus 8 all over u squared. I hope you are still following. So now u cubed plus 4u squared plus 4u, now plus u squared plus 8u, then plus 8. Now what are you doing now? You add this together. This will give you u cubed 4u squared plus 2u squared will give you what? 6u squared. 6u squared. Then 4u plus 8u will give you what? 12u. 12u. Then we have plus what? 8. Plus 8. Plus 8. All over. Please don't forget, this one is all over u raised to power 4 because it has cancelled out. So this one's supposed to be u raised to power 4. U raised to power 4. So u raised to power what? 4. So that's that. Now we can now separate this out now. How do I separate it out? Since they have the same denominator, you can easily say, okay, u cubed all over what? U raised to power what? 4 plus 6u squared all over u raised to power 4 plus 12 what? U raised to power what? U raised to power 4. 12u all over u raised to power 4 plus 8 all over u raised to power what? 4. So by doing this one will cancel out to cancel this one will be 1. U raised to power 3 will cancel 3u and then 1u. This one will cancel 2u. So this one will cancel 1u, remain 3u, and this one will not. So therefore, what we are going to have here is everything will be equal to. So everything will be equal to everything will be equal to 1 over u plus 6 over u squared plus 6 over u squared, then 12 over u cubed plus 8 over u raised to power 4. So that's that about that. So now, having gotten this now, so now say we should express what? Express all of these things in terms of partial fraction. You can see, look at this. This one in terms of what? Partial fraction. All you need to do is to make your what? Whenever they see you, you put your x minus 2. That's what they ask you, because this was already in partial fraction already. We have already what? Look at this. Look here, we have already said u cubed plus 5 and then you have substituted u here, and you get this. All you need to do now is to now what? Whenever you see what? You replace it with what? X minus what? 2. Because we said that what? We said that what? Let u equal to what? X minus 2 as given the what? Expression. So to now express this in partial fraction, you now say 3b now. To express it in partial fraction, you say recall that what? U is equal to x minus what? 2. Therefore, x raised to power 3 plus 5 all over x minus 2 raised to power what? 4 will now be equal to what? 1 over x minus u for the first one plus 6 all over x minus u all what? Square plus 12 all over x minus 3 all raised to power what? 3 plus 8 all over x raised to power what? 4. You can see this is a partial fraction in repeated what? Denominator. When you have power of 4, well, 1 over x minus 1 raised to power 1, x raised to power minus x minus 2 raised to power 1, x minus 3 raised to power 2, x minus 3 raised to power 3, x minus 4, x raised to power 4. So it means that what? It means that it's a repeated what? Sorry, this was supposed to be x minus what? 2 raised to power what? 4. It's a what? It's a repeated formula. Whenever you have a denominator having power of what? A power more than what? 1. You can call it x power. You use the method of partial fraction of x power minus 3 power 1 until you get to this x power 4. X power x minus 2 power 1, x power minus 2 power 2, x power minus what? 2 power what? 3, x minus 3 power what? 4. Please note that. So you just be what? Increasing the power until you get to what? The power of 4 which you are given here. And you make this one a plus b plus c plus d. Don't worry, I will still do question on that partial fraction. This is just related to partial fraction in some ways because they ask us to involve the substitution. We should use the substitution to express these what? Questions in partial fraction. That's why I'm bringing partial fraction up. Partial fraction, whenever we come to that questions in real time, we will do it as well. So you can see this is a partial fraction involving repeated or denominator, but the power will be increasing. X minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 3 raised to power 1, x minus 2 raised to power 2, and so on and so on. So the next question, which is question number what? 4. Question number 4, please note that it says the sum of the first 12 times. The sum of the first 12 times. Sum of the first 12 times. The sum of the first 12 times is what? Is the sum of the first 12 times of an AP is 168. Please note that AP, we are dealing with AP here. Now, if the third term T3 is, if the third term is 7, all together, find the values of the common difference and the first term. The value of the common difference and the first term. Common difference is represented by D and the first term is represented by A. So from here now we have SN. Look at this. The formula, we have 3 formulas for calculating what? The sum of terms in an AP. The first one is SN equal to n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into bracket d, which is applicable to this. Another one is what? Sn equal to n over 2 into bracket a plus n. That is the first time and the what? Last time. So that's the 2 major formulas that we use in sum of what. But what's applicable here is n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Let's put this one as a square bracket. So this is what's applicable here. Why? Because it involves a and what? And the common difference. So the first thing is to what? Substitute your value. 168 Then we have 12 times. Don't forget, they said sum of 12 times. So you put your n equals 12 here. So for this, 12 is the number of times is 12 all over 2. Then your a is not given. 2a plus 12 minus 1. Then d is not given. So 168, you can easily cross multiply here. 168 times 2. 168 times 2 will give you what? 16. You carry 1. This one will give you 12 plus 1. It will give you what? 12 plus 1 will give you 13. So you carry 1 again. 2 times 1 is going to be what? 2 times 1 is going to be 2 plus 1. It's going to be 236. 236. So we have 236. I've already cross multiply it. We cross multiply. So equal to 12 into bracket 2a plus what? 2a plus this one is plus 12 minus 1 will be 11 what? The bracket what? Plus. So we have 236 equal to, now from here we have 24a plus 12 times 11d. I've multiplied out there. 12 times, this is 24a, 12 times 11d will give you what? 12 times 11 will give you what? No, 11 times 11, 121, 12 times 11 will be what? Will be, I think 120, 132. You can check that is 132. 132. 132, that is 12 times 11 will be 122. 132. So now from here, now you can rearrange and say, okay, 236 minus 132 equal to 24a. Okay, sorry, this one's supposed to be having d. So equation 1. 236 equal to 24a plus what? 132 what? D. So that's equation 1 for you. Please follow. This is equation 1. Let me write it out. 236 equal to what? 24a plus 132d. You can call it what? Equation 1. But mind you, you can also reduce this. But if you don't want to reduce, you can also reduce this by dividing by some amount of, by dividing by 4. But you don't want to, let's keep it like that. Equation 1. Then the other one is T3, right? Look at this. The Tn is equal to a plus Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 is bracket. Then we have d outside. So T3 will automatically be what? A plus. Now, they said T3 to be 3 minus 1, which is what? 2d. So we look at T3, which is 7, is the same thing as a plus 2d. 7 equal to a plus 2d. Equation what? 2. So I can easily make a, tell the formula, and then put it here to get my what? To get my value of d. So make a now, so the formula. A, make a subject, the subject. Make a the subject. Okay, a is now going to be 7 minus 2d. So call it equation 3. Anyway, what should you call it equation 3? Now let me clean this. Let me clean this side. Now, what do we have? Now substitute this into this equation. 236 equals to what? 24 into bracket. Whenever you see a now, you put 7 minus what? 7 minus 2d. Then plus 132 what? D. So now from here now, we can answer, okay, 236 equals 24 times 7. Quickly do that one. 4 times 7 will be what? 4 times 7 will be 8. 2. Then 7 times 2 will be 14. 14 plus 2. That will be what? 168. As 168 minus what? 24 times 2d will be 48d. 48d plus 132 what? D. Okay, I'm following. So when you take this one to the other side, by rearranging it to 236 minus 168 equal to what? Minus 4d plus 32 what? So simply saying 132d minus 48. That would be what? That would be 4. This will be 2. So now 12 minus 4, it will give me what? 84d. So this one is going to give me 84d. So 168 then equals to 84. Is there any way they can divide themselves? Okay, divide themselves by 84. 84. Let's see what the d is. D equal to 168 all over 84. So now how do you go about that? 4 here, 4 can go here. It will give you what? 4 can go here, that will be 2. You have 2. You have, okay, 4 can go here, 4, then 2. Do you get that? 4 in 16 is 4, 4 in this 2. 4 can also go here, we have 2. Then we have 1. 2, 1. 2 in 42, it give you what? 2. That's how we do it. So d is equal to 42, 2 equal to 2. So don't mind me, I'm not using calculator, that's why I'm doing like that. So d equal to 2. Then you now go back to equation 3 to get your a. So in equation 3 now, in equation 3, we have a is equal to 7 minus what? 2d. So since you know your a now, since you know your d now, a will now be equal to 7 minus 2 into brackets 2. So a is equal to 7 minus 4. A is equal to 3. So that's that about the question we are asked. That's the common difference, which is what? Which is 2 and what? First term is what? 3. We have come to the end of today's class. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and share the necessary update on this YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you.